Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Amira Shakira binti Uzi. My matric number is 2023662034. I am the leader of the group and my fellow members are Humaira and Hana.
My name is Nur Humaira binti Azmi. My student number is 2023808488.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Hana Zakia binti Muhammad Azrawi. My matric number is 2023681612.
Question 1. The 10,000 ringgit investment is made in a compound interest account with a semi-annual interest rate of 5%. After 3 years, Malik decided to take half of the money that had accumulated and reinvest the other half for another 4 years in 12% compounded quarterly. Question A. Calculate the total amount withdrawn after 3 years and the account's new balance after investment. So, we have to search the total amount withdrawn after 3 years first. So, step 1, P is 10,000, K 0.05, M2, T 3 years, and T is 6. So, we will use the formula S equal P in bracket 1 plus K over M, MT. So S is 10,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 2, 6. So as we will got RM 11596.93. So Malik withdraw half of the total accumulated. So we have to divide to 2. So 11596.93 divide 2, we will got RM 5798.47. Next, we have to find the new balance after reinvestment. So we will use the balance of he withdrawn. So S equals 5798.47 in bracket 1 plus 012 over 4, 10. So as we will got RM 9304 and 0.4.84. So the balance is, the total amount his withdrawn is RM 5798.47, while the account's new balance is RM 9304.84. Question B. What is the total amount of money that Malik has including the money that he withdrawn? So to find the total amount, new balance have to plus with withdrawn, which is 9304.84 plus 5798.47. We will got RM 15103.31. That's the answer.
So for question 2, account A and account B are two types of compound interest account that offered by a bank. Account A pay 4% annual interest rate that is compounded quarterly, while account B pay a 5% annual interest rate that is compounded every 2 months. A consumer thinking about putting RM 50,000 in one of these accounts for 5 years. The table above shows us about all the information that we should know, and the first thing we should do is compare the final balances in both accounts, which is we need to find the future value and the interest received. Before we find the solution, I will teach you how to find the MT first. I will use example B or account B for find the MT. Account B need to pay every 2 months for 5 years. So the first step is 12 months divided by 2 because they need to pay every 2 months. So the answer is 6. 6 is the frequency. So account B need to pay 6 times for 1 year. So if they say they need to pay every 2 months for 5 years, 6 will multiply with 5. So the answer is 30. I will teach you how to find the solution. The first solution is account A. First of all, we need to write down the formula to get 1 mark. The formula is S equal P, 1 plus K per M in brackets, power of M. After that, we need to put in all the information that given. S equal P. P is 15,000. 1 plus K per M. K is 0.04 per M. M is 4 in brackets. Power of MT. MT will be 20. So we need to calculate 1 plus 0.04 per 4 equal power of 20 equal multiply with 15,000. How to calculate the account B is same way as account A. So the answer will be RM 19240.44. For this page, I will teach you how to find the interest. First of all, we need to write down the formula first to get 1 mark. The formula for interest is I equal S minus B. S is future value and P is principal. For account A, the future value is 18302.85 minus 2 principal. Principal is 15,000. So the answer will be RM 3302.85. Same goes to account B. The account B future value is 19240.44 minus 2P principal. The principal is 15,000. So the answer will be RM 4240.44. I will advise the consumer that account B provide a larger return than account A. It is because account B got a larger total return more than account A.
Question 3. You are assigned to set up a business company and need to borrow a 275,000 loan for 20 years from a bank. There are 2 banks that you have surveyed for that loan. Below are the details of the bank. If the question about loan, we must use present value formula. Read the information and compare and find M and MT for Alquist Bank and Safa Bank. So we find the M for Alquist Bank is 4 and for Safa Bank is 3. Then MT for Alquist Bank is 80 and MT for Safa Bank is 120. Question A. Calculate the predict payment and total interest charges for each bank. So we calculate the predict payment is made R for Akul Bank first. So first, state the information from the question. So 2, choose and determine the correct formula, and 3 is calculate. So the information is A means RM 275,000, K is 0.03, M is 4, MT is 80, K over M is 0.03 over 4. So we got 3 over 400. Okay, first we use formula present value. So the formula is A equal to R, open the big bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus K over M, close the bracket, the power of negative MT divide to K over M, close the big bracket. So it's mean A divide to open the big bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus K over M, close the bracket, and the power of negative MT divide to K over M, close the big bracket equal to R. So yeah, press the calculator, open bracket, 1 plus 0.03 over 4, close the bracket. So got the answer. Press the to the power of negative 80. So yeah, 1 minus the answer. So the answer divide to 0.03 over 4. And lastly, 375,000 divide to the answer. So yeah, the answer is RM 4,583 ringgit and 76 cent. RM 3,336 ringgit and 51 cent. Last question for question A. They mentioned about total amount charged. That means is interest paid. So the formula is I equal to NR minus A. So yeah, first take the information from the question and calculate. So for the Alkuts Bank, the information is R equal to 4,583 ringgit and 76 cent. So N or MT is 80. So the A is 275,000. So yeah, press the calculator. 80 multiplication 4,583 ringgit and 76 cent. So we got the answer. We need to minus to 275,000. So yeah, we got 91,700 ringgit and 80 cent. For Safa Bank, the MT, so the A is 375,000. So yeah, same like before. We got the answer is 125,381 ringgit and 20 cent.
Question B. Which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A and give your reason? Before we state the answer, we need to compare which of the two banks is better. So after I compare which of the two banks, I would choose Alkuts Bank over Safa Bank because Safa Bank charges higher interest than Alkuts Bank even though the predict payments are cheaper. So although we pay predict payments by Alkuts Banks at a higher price, but our interest charge are still balanced and do not burden the company too much compared to Safa Bank.
Question C. If you fail to make the first 3 payment, how much should you pay on the 4th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? This question means they want the 4th payment after we can't make the 3 payments because of arrears. So we use formula present value because the 4th payment is last payment between the first 3 payment until 4th payment. So the formula is S equal to R, open the bracket, open bracket, 1 plus K over M, close the bracket, the power of MT minus 1 divide to K over M, close the bracket. So yeah, before we find the answer, first we state the information from the question, then choose and determine the correct formula and calculate. So yeah, how to use calculator? First we need to press the open bracket, 1 plus 0.03 over 4, close the bracket, and 2 got the answer, press the power of 4, and got the answer, we need to minus 1, and the answer is divide to 0.03 over 4, and lastly, got the answer, and the answer multiplication is 4,583 ringgit 76 cent. So yeah, we got the answer is 18,542 ringgit and 34 cent.
If you want to settle all the loan immediately after paying for 15 years, calculate the amount you need to pay. This is mean we need to pay off loan in full after 15 years, so we need to calculate how many more years to pay the loan. The loan period is 20 years, so 20 minus 15 equal to 5. We just need to pay the loan for 5 years more. Because of loan, we use present value formula. Okay, just same like before this, take the information from the question, choose and determine the correct formula and calculate the answer.
So the formula is A equal to R, open the big bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus K over M, close the bracket, the power of negative MT divide to K over M, close the big bracket. So yeah, first press calculator, open bracket, 1 plus 0.03 over 4, close the bracket, and press the power of negative 20, and for the answer, 1 minus answer, and divide to 0.03 over 4, then we need to multiplication with 4,583 ringgit 76 cent. So yeah, we got the answer is 84,836 ringgit and 32 cent.
Thank you. That's all from us.